Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Guys, this is the one of the new variation of the bread omelette. Come on, let's start the process. The required ingredients are 5 slices of bread, 3 eggs, red chili powder and salt. Cut the bread into 4 pieces and drop it in a hot oil. Fry it on both sides until it turns into golden color. Now transfer these bread pieces into a bowl. Take a bowl and add little amount of water. Add required amount of salt. Add required amount of red chili powder. Mix everything well. Now crack the eggs. Whisk it well and combine everything. Take a frying pan. Add oil in it. Once oil get heated, take a bread piece, dip it in egg mixture and drop it in a pan. Arrange them in a order. Pour the egg mixture on top of the bread pieces. Add required amount of oil. Cover with lid, cook on low flame. Once the bottom get cooked, slowly flip to other side. Now transfer this omelette into a serving plate.
Thanks for watching today's episode.